Bro, this car is straight up decomposing.
Why do you say that?
I mean, there's just a nest, spider's nest.
Yeah, bro, honestly, I popped the bonnet the other day, right?
Yeah.
And I swear there's been a spider in there for like years. I mean, that could be...
What do you mean a spider?
What's that?
What do you mean a spider? You mean...
But I reckon it's the same spider because, honestly, every time I pop the bonnet, it's in the same spot.
There's at least 100 spiders.
Oh, at least. Look at this thing, it's an artifact now. Comes in handy for all the fucking parts we need to steal. Shay's just taking some lug nuts off so he can fit his new wheels onto his daily. So we're just getting it ready for the track at the moment. We've just mounted a tow strap on the rear and we need to do one for the front as well. Pretty easy stuff.
Yeah, so in preparation for the track, what I'm doing today is tow straps. Mounted the bucket seat earlier today. Yeah, new wheels for the front, which we'll see soon. And there's oil change.
Easy. She's ready to be slammed into some walls at Evergreen. Maybe whack this into shape. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm just taking off the crash bar so I can mount the front tow strap to it. The crash bar's been cut in half. Oh, look at that, you got a fucking oil cooler as well.
I think it's say oil leak.
Nah, I'm pretty sure that's an oil cooler. Could be for your power steering.
Oh yeah, it's a power steering cooler.
Yeah, okay. Bro, you're ready for those full lock drifts?
Yeah, he says he's never had a problem with power steering.
Yeah, it's a pretty big, yeah. One of the bros, Adam, has been through 4 power steering pumps on his Altezza, yeah. Unlucky bastard.
Well, I've been through 4 engines. Well, not me personally.
Yeah. Ready for it to suck. Fuck. Math. I've just gotten this section of the crash bar off and I'm gonna mount the tow strap to it. So all I need to do is find a nut and a bolt, just locate it there and then have a nut secured on the other end. Easy as. Oh, there you go,
yeah.
perfect.
Nice.
Might just make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to get in and out. Yeah. Cool. So, chuck that like that. Cool. Just get thingy and tighten that up. Cool.
Sweet. Let's see if it fits. It should do.
Yeah, it should be alright.
Yeah.
Cool. Is it just me or does that stick out too much?
Yeah, I think it's too stiff. Like, it's supposed to be like that. What do you mean stick out too much?
I don't know, it just looks like long and floppy.
Yeah.
It's alright.
I mean, it does what it's meant to do. I hope it does.
I mean, I guess you don't really want to be testing it out.
Yeah.
You know, it implies you've either crashed or broken down, so...
We want neither of those.
Easy.
Sweet, it's ready. Well, almost. Do you want to close the hood so we can see what it looks like?
Oh, you even got the bonnet clip. Fuck, that's rare. Look at that.
Yeah.
Just looks as ugly as before.
Alright, okay, it's just a tow strap. I'll take it off later.
Is that all?
Yeah.
We're done. Beauty. Go pick up my car.
Alright, so I headed back to my place where I'll be putting the new oil change and the fire extinguisher and the new wheels. Alright, so we're just back home now and got the car jacked up. So we're going to be changing the oil and the filter, putting these new wheels on. 17 by 8 35p Advantage, so I think they're reps of AVS Model 5s, but it's all I could find. I urgently needed them for tomorrow, and if we have time I'll install the fire extinguisher and just finish prepping this car for the drift day. Alright, so I just chucked the wheel on. It looks pretty good. Be interested to see the fitment once I drop it. Just gonna continue checking out the wheel on the other side and drain out that oil. And so for the fire extinguisher, for now I've just zip tied it into the bucket seat bracket. Probably not the best, but it'll do for now. Kind of stable. Alright, just because my camera's about to die, I'll end the video here. So yeah, I won't show you guys what the wheels look like just yet. I'll save that for the drift day video. So make sure you keep a lookout for that. It'll be coming probably next week. But yes, that's all for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm drifting at Evergreen.